Hey guys, welcome back to TullyVision, your favorite family on YouTube. Today I am working on quite a few orders, so I just wanted to show you guys just a few things that I'm making, and that'll come out as a few different tutorials. This tutorial that I will be showing you guys is how to create a custom puzzle. So this will be a photo puzzle, and I also have another order on the same paper, which will be a dog tag. So the first thing that we're going to do is cut out our paper. I'm going to go ahead and grab my puzzle. This is how they come. You just open them out the pack. And it looks just like that. You want to make sure there's no loose pieces of chipped wood or anything like that on top. Just go ahead and wipe it off. I'm going to grab your tape. You're going to grab your image. You're going to put your photo face down. You want to make sure that there is no there is no part of the cardboard that will be blank. So make sure you can make your image a little bit bigger, if not exact to size, but be very cautious. So I'm going to go ahead and place this down, and I'm going to place it as close to the top as possible. All right, I'm going to grab my tape. And I'm just going to tape it down. One thing, you guys, about sublimation, if you guys are considering taking that step, is that it's really quick crafts that you can make good money from. You know, so I do suggest it. It was a big purchase for us in the past, and we've made it, and it really made us money back really quickly. You do have to be very motivated, because more and more people want to do the same thing, but there's enough money out there for everybody. Just come out motivated. Okay, we went ahead and we taped down our image, and when you sublimate, because this is thick, you want to make sure that you flip it over. Okay, we're going to go ahead and grab our butcher paper to protect our heat press. Okay, I'm going to grab it. I believe I honestly only need like this little piece instead of doing the top and the bottom. So what I'm going to do is flip over my image. You see how I just dropped that in there? I'm just going to fold that over. I'll put the links to everything that I'm using in the description below. I'm going to go ahead and drop that here. And I am going to sublimate this on 400, even though it says 401. 400 for 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 120 degrees, 120 seconds. Sorry, you guys. It is literally like 3 a.m. because I am a mom of a toddler and a 10-month-old. I literally have to wake up in the middle of the night to do orders and to do YouTube videos, and I'm tired. I ain't even look in the mirror, y'all. To be honest, I don't know how my face look. I don't know. You see, I got my little cap on. You guys, I'm working for y'all. I'm working for myself, but I said, let me just bring my family on here, you know? TullyVision, you know? So, I'm gonna just let this go, and I'll come back when it is ready. Alright, guys, so this is finished sublimating. Sometimes it turns out great, sometimes you make a mistake. Let's see how it turns out. So with sublimation, you can see if it's working because you already can see the lines of the puzzle inside my paper. It kind of soaked, the puzzle soaked up that gas that was releasing. Oh my goodness. Now look at that. That is beautiful. So we just made a beautiful custom puzzle, and that is pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, if you guys want to be careful with your tape and make sure that it doesn't rip your board. But if you guys would like to start this journey and you need to know where to start, we always put links in the description. Some are affiliate links, some are not. But at the end of the day, it most definitely helps you to know where to start. It's worth it. I really do think it's worth it. So go ahead, you guys, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or you think it was great. Like this video, guys. Please, please, please. I am sharing with you guys at 3 a.m. I'm working for you. I'm working for me. I want us all to be successful. And it helps with the algorithm on YouTube to get me up in the ranks. That will really help me. And share this video with your friends, with your family, with anybody who's a crafter or thinking about sublimation. Once again, I thank you guys so much. It really turned out great, and I will be sending out more videos for you guys, and come every Tuesday because we will be having new tutorials every Tuesday. And because I'm feeling frisky, I'm going to be throwing some more out there in a week. You get a tutorial. You get a tutorial. Everybody's getting tutorials, okay? And this is me at 3 a.m. Imagine if you catch me if I do a video in the middle of the day. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.